Today, I'm going to show you how to back up your Gmail account step by step using Google Takeout so you can save a copy of your emails safely and access them later if you ever need them. This is a really useful process if you want peace of mind, if you're changing accounts, or if you simply want to keep a personal archive of your messages. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to takeout.google.com. This is Google's official data export tool, and it lets you download a copy of the data connected to your Google account. Once the page opens, sign into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you use the same account that contains the Gmail messages you want to back up. After you sign in, you'll see a long list of Google products with checkboxes next to them. Since we only want to back up Gmail, the first thing you should do is click Deselect All. This clears every service so you can choose only what you need. Next, scroll down until you find Mail and select it. This tells Google that you only want an export of your Gmail data, not your Drive files, photos, or anything else. Once Mail is selected, take a moment to confirm that everything else is unchecked unless you intentionally want to include more data. After that, click Next Step. On the next screen, Google will ask you how you want your backup delivered. Here you can choose the file type and size. The file type is usually a zip file, which is the easiest option for most people because it compresses the data into a single downloadable package. You can also choose the maximum file size for each archive. If your backup is very large, Google may split it into multiple files, so pick a size that works well for your storage and internet speed. Once those settings look right, click Create Export. Now Google will begin preparing your backup. Depending on the size of your Gmail account, this can take some time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish immediately. In many cases, you'll receive an email when the export is ready. When Google has finished preparing everything, go back to the export page or check your inbox for the download link. Then click Download Backup File and save it to your computer or external drive. If the file is compressed in a zip format, you can extract it later and browse through your Gmail archive. And that's it. You've now backed up your Gmail account using Google Takeout. This is a simple but important habit if you want to protect your emails and keep a personal copy of your messages. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one.